Hi and welcome to this week's featured product, and it's perfect for babies, it's perfect for toddlers. It's this 5 dynamic pieces that make this amazing rainbow. So the idea about it is about igniting child's imagination and nurture those essential development skills. The 5 sections. First one, we've got the interlocking gears. The next one is all about weather. We've got this where you can go through the seasons. You've got a spinning weather wheel, and you've also got the temperature gauge there, working on fine motor skills. Then we've got another fine motor and all about shapes, matching the shapes up, in and out. Yeah, so that's another good one. And then we have a little music centre. What I like about this, it actually sounds good. So often what we get with children's musical instruments, they look great but they don't sound good. This sounds good as well, so that's good. You've also got the mirrors on there. And then right at the very end of the rainbow, we have this where you can bash the head, and it's a bit more interactive. It's a maze bead game, and then we've got the whale here where you can move it around. So perfect. So size wise, it's 162 centimeters, 1.6 meters wide, and then it's 81 centimeters high. You know what sort of room you need. Perfect for 18 months and over, and it's a decent price tag as well. It's £200. It's 199.99 plus VAT to be precise. We know £200 is a lot of money, but you're also getting a lot of equipment there for your money. So if you'd like one, they are in stock. We can get those out to you straight away. And yeah, please just reply to the text or send us an email. Thank you.